What's up, guys? I know I said in my earlier video I had another ticker I was looking at a squeeze candidate, and it's really starting to move. So I'm going to try to make this video quick. I did put it out on the community tab and in the Discord a second ago, just to make sure that people were able to get in it. Still manage your risk. I mean, all these squeeze plays are very volatile. They can go down just as fast as they went up. Always take profits, but NXTD is the ticker I'm talking about. It looks like the float size here has been reported a couple different ways. I've seen it as low as 4 million, as high as 7 million, and it has options, which makes it easy to move. Okay, so first I want to take a look at Ortex. As you can see here, Ortex is showing that short interest coming into today was 19%, with about 24% of the float on loan. There's been discrepancies about the size of the float, so this short interest could be relatively higher. All depends. Cost to borrow has doubled since 7 days ago. It's at 103% right now, which is always a good sign. And utilization seems to be pretty maxed out. I did look at max pain on this stock, and it was at 50 cents. Currently, I think right now it's trading at about 325. Looks like it's dropping a little as I'm making the video, but so I don't think max pain's an issue at all. But there's not a ton of open interest in this option chain either. Roughly 90% of the chain this morning is in calls, and there's a ton of new call volume pouring in today. I just checked out on Unusual Whales and just looking at the volume coming in on the option chain. So I think that this does have, being such a small float, a lot of room to run. Let's take a look at the chart. As you can see here, back in February, it was as high as 34.40. There was a 110 split, reverse split. Looks like in October, the stock did come up and hit as high as, looks like, where we at over here, about $6, traded as high as $5. This is all in that October range after the split. And then it came down and kind of bottomed out at 235. As you can see, it started this morning at 255. It's already up to 325 right now. Let's look at the, let's see here. There we go. So it's on quite a bit of a tear right now, but I think this has the potential to really move over the next couple days, especially given the option chain. The large amount of open interest that does exist is sitting at the $3, the $3.50 and the $4 strike for January. So as this thing continues to move higher right now, if it can and it passes that $3.50 strike and that $4 strike, that should be able to give it a little bit more of a push. And then the short interest that does exist in the stock hopefully can catapult this thing higher. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but we are looking at a nice run right now. Obviously look for a nice entry point. It is on a pullback. Who knows what it'll be at by the time I upload this video. Could be a little bit lower, it could be higher. But for me, I'm in, and I'm probably going to be looking to ride this thing up, at least to blow out the chain. So I'm looking at probably a $7 to $7.50 price target, but at the same time protecting myself to the downside. Okay, so even though I say I'm looking for this thing to double up and hit 7, if I'm going to be taking profits on the way up, and any sort of drastic dip, I'll be pulling profits on the way down. All right. Take it easy, trade safe. Hopefully I'll be coming at you guys with some more videos soon. All right.